The word solve means I want to get x by itself. I begin by subtracting 1 on both sides. So I take away 1 from here and 1 from there. That will give me 1 take away 1 is 0, so just 5x here is less than 11 take away 1 is 10. Now x is not by itself, x is being multiplied by 5. The opposite of multiplying by 5 is dividing by 5. So I divide by 5 on both sides. And that gets rid of that. That leaves me with x is less than 2. So that means my answer is x is less than 2, so I can have the integers that are less than 2. For this example, for this question, I had x on one side and numbers on the other. How would I answer this one? For this question, I've got x's on both sides and numbers on both sides. What I need to do first is to put all the x's together on one side. So I'm going to subtract both sides by 2x. So take away 2x from here and 2x from there. 4x take away 2x is 2x. I've still got this plus 3, and that's greater than 2x take away 2x is gone, 11. Now this looks like the other equations that we've been solving. I need to make x a subject. I continue. I take away 3 from both sides. So 2x is greater than 11 take away 3, 8. And then lastly, I divide by 2 on both sides. So x is greater than 4. For this one, I've got state the largest integer. To get x by itself, I subtract 3 on both sides. That gives me x is less than 9 take away 3 is 6. So because it says x is less than 6, the biggest number, the biggest integer x can be is 5. If I was to draw a number line, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I draw a circle on 6. I don't colour it in. I don't have an equal sign. I want all of these values. So the biggest number I can take is 5. I can't have 6 because it's not equal to 6. So the largest integer that x can be is 5. For smallest integer here, the first thing I'd have to do is solve it. So I add 5 to both sides. That gives me 2x is greater than 12 plus 5 is 17. And lastly, I divide by 2 on both sides. So I divide by 2, divide by 2. 17 divided by 2. 17 divided by 2 is 8.5. And it says that the smallest integer, so integer means whole number, that x can be. Here, because x is greater than or equal to 8.5, the smallest number that x can be is 9. It can't be 8 because it has to be bigger than 8.5. So the smallest integer, whole number, is 9.